So in this video, I want to illustrate how to add students. So when you come to students, when you click on students here, you click on students, then you you want to add new students in this student management page. You can just click on this button here by the right hand side. So you upload, make sure you fill every information here. Because if you not fill every information here, maybe you omit one particular information, it will not be successful. So you have to upload the student passport. You select the student class. All this class here has already been set by the admin. So we are still going to tell us how to add new class to this software. So the role is student. So just you don't have to do anything here. Just leave it as student. The level. So we have four levels. Automatically, we have by default. I mean, we have four levels. We have primary, we have nursery, we have upper basic, we have senior section. The upper basic is for GSS category. So we have then you put in the student's first name, middle name, last name, then select student gender. You put in the student weight and height, date of birth, health condition. So you can just put name or fine if the student has no health condition, student club, you select the nationality. So make sure you fill all this information here. Then you click on submit registration. So that's how to add students. So if you want to view all the students in a class, just select the class there, then you click on view. So to list all the students in that particular class, as you can see, the image. That's why you need to add when you are enrolling new student, you need to add the student age, the sex, you have the class admission number, so and so. If you want to edit any student information, just click on this edit button here. So we have the so click on the edit button here, so you can easily edit all the student information that you've inputted. So that's that on students. So if you want to promote all students, you can come to promote. You can promote students. Let's say you want to promote from a student is entering new section or new term, you can host new session rather. So just select the class that you are promoting from, then the class you are promoting to, then you select the section, then you click on promote students. Then you can also promote selected students because not all students we actually promote from one class to the other. So maybe because of the student is not hasn't paid his or her school fees, you can decide not to promote the student yet. So that means this particular option here will be useful for that particular feature. So you can also demote students. So the same way you promote students, you can also demote a student. You can transfer. You can this transfer certificate means whenever a student want to um, um, is enrolling newly to in another school. So there are some schools that request for transfer letter or transfer certificate from the previous school that has been transferred from. So this is where this feature is very useful. So when you click on transfer certificate, then you select, you fetch the student by inputting the student reg number. So once I fetch the student now, for example, it will list the student information. So I want to issue transfer for this particular student. So I'll fill this information. So once I fill this information, I'll click on issue transfer. So to generate for me a certificate which will be given to the student. So that is the certificate the student will take to the school, the new school he wants to enroll. So that's that on student management. So we have behavior analysis coming. So we have behavior analysis. So this one, the admin can, record student record behavior analysis. So for especially when it comes to import result computation. So behavior analysis is just the uh, let's say, for example, we want to know how faithful a particular student is when it comes to maybe punctuality, neatness, all those core features, character, I mean. So you can easily set it, the admin can easily set it from the portal. So you can score the student faithfulness, the student punctuality, the student neatness, the student character. So this way the admin will set it under behavior analysis. So then we have under attendance, the admin can also take attendance for all the students. So all this attendance behavior analysis can also be done by the teachers. So can also be done by the teachers. So it's not compulsory that it's the admin that will be doing all this for their students. So since we are doing admin, since this is just the admin overview, so that's why we are taking it. So we have attendance. Under attendance, we have record attendance, class attendance, we have view attendance. So the admin can record attendance as well for the students on behalf of the teachers, or the admin can leave it to the teachers to do it depending on the school methodology. So we have academics. Under academics, the admin can add class. So this way to add class for under admin. To want to add new class, just click on this green button up here by the right hand. So when you click on it, you can easily write any class, then select level. Like I said earlier on that junior classes is the upper basic. So if you put GSS 1 year, so the class level you are selecting is what? Upper basic. If you put SS 1 year, the class level you are selecting is senior section. So and so on and so forth. Then you click on add. So that's how to add class. You can edit class, you can delete class. So that's that on class. So it's under, we are still on academic. So we have subjects. We have all subjects. We have registered student subjects. We have view registered subjects, specify subject levels, number of subjects specification. So all these things are very vital. So the admin can view all the subjects in the school. So whether it is secondary, primary, nursery, kindergarten. So that's what that means. So the admin can also add new subject by clicking on this button here at the top. So that's that on subject. So we are still under academics. The admin can register student subjects. So once the admin click on register student subjects, select the class. Then when you select the class, select the subject that you want to register. It is biology. Select the term and click on get. So to list all the students in that class. So click on this show arrow. Show so click on this the last figure, which is 100, to list all the students in that class at once in one page. So in this page now, in this category, we have 34 students. So if you select this all and you select submit selection button here, so to register all these students in this class for biology, then you do the same thing. You do the same thing for all the subjects. Do the same thing for all the subjects. So that's that on that. On so in the next, we'll continue from the next video on how to. Okay, I think we are still on academics. So continue from the next video on specify subject levels, number of subject specification.